Hi guys, today I have my first swap. I got in a group and they're doing swaps. I've never done a swap before, so this was an ATC swap. So I also made my first ATCs. So let's see what's inside. I didn't cut it like I was going to. Okay. There's a cute card. And it was a Valentine's ATC swap. And here's her ATC. Super cute. It's the first one I've received. And this one was made by Kathy. That was her first time too, so that's cool. So we both had our first swap. She threw in some extra goodies for me. This is really cute. It's got a cupcake wrapper, a heart. She has a cute Valentine pencil. And a little pad of paper. Love this. And a cute little pin. Valentine's pin. Valentine card. Some cute stickers. Ooh, some scented stickers. Oh, those are cute. They're all different. These are cute. Can't wait to play with them all. And an eraser. And a cute little cupcake magnet. How cute. Thanks so much, Kathy. It's my first one too. Okay, this is my second ATC swap, and this one is from Dorothy. So I thought this was really cute. How she painted all that up. The whole envelope's painted front and back. I love this shiny, sparkly paint. And the cute figure of the girl. This will be great to reuse. Probably even good for a journal. Fold it. That'd be awesome. Let's see what's inside. Okay. She even painted the inside of the flap. That's cool. How cute. Okay. It says, tag your it. I've started these tags. Now it's your turn to finish them for your art. Cool. Super cute. A couple little clips here. Oh, this is cute. A popcorn bag. She had a pocket here. She had this in here, and the pocket. And here's a painted note card. That's awesome. I love that design in there. And here's some bits and pieces. And it's in like a clear library card. That's neat. Like a library card holder type thing. That's neat. And it's sticky. And here's some little goodies. I don't know if you can see that one. It's an acetate. It says fun. There's a gold arrow. Some cute little heart stickers. Some other stickers. Those are cool. And like a picture frame. And a cute playing card. Awesome. Some cute washi tape there. And here's a tag. That's just a packaging tag that she painted up. That's cute. And there's another package tag. Even the back looks cool. there's the front, or what she painted. That's awesome. This is great. I got all kinds of stuff I can do like this. There's like a, looks like it turned into a bookmark. Ooh, that's pretty. Looks like Mod Podged on there. And that's cool. These are great ideas. And let's see, this is the tag for me, or the ATC. Okay, let's see her ATC. Oh, she's got more than one in here. I only did one. Cute. Here's her ATCs. Super cute. Thanks so much, Dorothy. I loved it all. So that is awesome. So if you have any questions about the ATCs, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks for stopping by.